Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
Hello and welcome to IndianExpress.com. So today we are unboxing the OnePlus 7T. Now this is of course a giant red box that OnePlus has sent us, and the OnePlus 7T is basically going to build on the OnePlus 7 and not the OnePlus 7T Pro. Now we don't really know if there's a OnePlus 7T Pro, but what we do know is that there's a OnePlus 7T. So let's quickly unbox it and check out what's inside this huge box that OnePlus has sent us. This is the box. It's got quite a few layers inside it. Let's remove this giant OnePlus logo. These we are guessing is the new OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2. Got a couple of cases for the new OnePlus 7T. And yes, it does come with that circular camera design at the back, as you can see is evident from the case. Let's quickly take out the phone, which is in this red box. So yeah, this is everything that OnePlus sent us in the box. There are of course the covers for the new phone, the Bullets Wireless 2 and the OnePlus 7T. Now if you notice that the box is completely red and it's much longer, it's like taller than what we've seen in the past for the OnePlus phone boxes. Let's quickly open this and check out what's inside. Okay, so let's quickly talk about the specs of the OnePlus 7T. So it has a 6.5-inch display on the front, which is a Full HD Plus display with a maximum density of 402 ppi. This is a Fluid AMOLED display, and OnePlus has introduced a 90 Hz refresh rate on the phone, just like it did on the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now, it also comes with triple cameras at the back. The camera setup now has a circular design, which is a lot more prominent and very different compared to what we've seen in the past. The OnePlus 7T comes in two colors, the Frosted Silver and the Glacier Blue. We have the blue variant out here. The phone also runs Android 10 out of the box based on Oxygen OS. So yeah, that's what the OnePlus 7T looks like when you open the box. And you can see it does continue with the in-display fingerprint sensor, which we've seen on previous OnePlus phones as well. Let's quickly take a look at the design. Let me just get rid of the plastic packing. If you look at the front, it's quite similar to what we saw with the OnePlus 7 because it doesn't have the dual curve display like we saw with the previous OnePlus 7 Pro. And the water drop notch is still there. But the back, that's what's really different, and the color is quite different from what we saw for the OnePlus 7 Pro. So yeah, the Glacier Blue is here to see. It has a silver tinge, if you will, and yeah, that's the triple camera at the back. So let's quickly see what else is there inside the box. So as expected, you get a clear case in the box, which is pretty standard for most smartphones. You get a SIM pin remover and you get the charger, which is the Warp charger. Let me just quickly set up the OnePlus 7T. So now, as I pointed out in the beginning, OnePlus 7T actually comes with Android 10 out of the box. One of the big changes with Android 10 is the navigation gestures. Now what Android has done is that it standardized these gestures along all phones which are going to be running Android 10. So when we're setting it up, in fact, it is asking us if we want to go with the new navigation gestures or with the older format where you had 3 buttons at the bottom. So we're going to stick with the new gestures. And it's giving us a quick, demo kind of how to, use these new gestures. So we can quickly copy these, and that's it, we're done. Now regarding the specifications, this one does run the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus platform compared to the simple 855 that was on the previous OnePlus 7 series. It also comes with only 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage or 256 GB storage depending on what you're buying. It comes with a 16 MP camera on the front. So let me quickly talk about the camera at the back. Now it comes with a 48 MP sensor, which is the main sensor. There's a 12 MP telephoto lens and a 16 MP ultra wide lens. Now this is a similar setup to what we saw on the OnePlus 7 Pro that was launched earlier in the year. Regarding the camera, OnePlus is also combining the EIS and OIS for the OnePlus 7T, which is quite good to see. This should reduce shakes, especially when you're taking video. But again, we'll have to test it out to see how that actually performs. Of course, there's Face Unlock for opening the phone. It comes with an in-display scanner for fingerprints, which you can also use as well. Talking about the battery, the OnePlus 7T has a 3800 mAh battery, and this one comes with warp charge, and the company is now claiming that you can charge this to 70% in just under 30 minutes, which is a pretty good claim. So this is our look at the OnePlus 7T, which is just launched. It comes with an improved triple camera at the back, with OnePlus adding a new ultra-wide sensor. It's got a 90Hz refresh rate on the display. The processor has been upgraded, and overall it looks quite interesting. It follows the OnePlus trend of evolving the phone when it comes to the T edition. Now we still don't know about the OnePlus 7T Pro and whether that exists, but so far this looks quite interesting. Let us know in the comments what you think of the OnePlus 7T.